They don't worship God, they live as Brahman, RTA in nature herb. Animals, trees, and rivers do not perform rituals or chant mantras. Yet they uphold the sacred rhythm of the cosmos, known as RTA. Their silent service, selfless giving, and natural harmony make them living embodiments of Brahman, the ultimate reality. This short honors nature's quiet divinity, a reminder that the greatest spirituality is in living in tune with the cosmos. Wave-shedding tree dove bell. Subscribe to Hydrogen Awakening for more insights where science meets spirit. Folded hands. Like, comment, and share if this message touched your soul. Om. Expanded thought. Animals, trees, and rivers do not pray, yet they uphold RTA, the cosmic order, effortlessly and selflessly. They give without expectation, sustain without pride, and serve without seeking reward. In this silent Dharma, they embody Brahman, the eternal truth beyond name and form. They do not worship God. They are the expression through which God breathes. Bright button. Vedic insight. In the Rigveda, Brahman is not separate from nature, is the nature. The elements Pancha Mahabhuta, rivers, like Saraswati, trees, Ashvatha, and sacred animals, like cow, serpent, eagle, are not symbols of God. They are living emanations of the same underlying cosmic reality. Humans often require temples and rituals to remember divinity, but animals and trees live it by default. Dia Lamp. Powerful line for your channel. To live in harmony with RTA is greater than worship, and in this, the animals and rivers are ahead of us.